In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Steam purchase history 2026 step by step. If you've ever wanted to double check a charge, keep track of how much you've spent, or simply review when you bought a game or added wallet funds, your Steam purchase history is the place to go. I'll walk you through it clearly and quickly and point out what you'll see once you're there so everything makes sense. Start by opening Steam. You can use the desktop app or visit the official Steam website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account that actually made the purchases you want to review. On the website, the sign in button is at the top right. In the desktop app, you're usually signed in automatically. If you have multiple accounts, it's worth confirming you're in the correct one before moving on. Next, go to your account details, look to the top right corner of Steam, and click your username. This opens a small menu tied to your profile. From there, choose Account Details. This area is your hub for store and wallet settings, subscriptions, and security information, and it's where Steam keeps all of your billing history organized in one place. On the Account Details page, find and select View Purchase History. This opens a chronological list of your transactions. Steam lays everything out in a straightforward table so you can review past activity at a glance without digging around. Here's what you'll see on that page. Every entry shows the date of the transaction, what it was for, how much was spent or credited, and the payment method used, such as a card or Steam Wallet. Game and DLC purchases appear with their titles. Wallet top-ups show as credits to your balance, and bundle purchases are listed as a single line with the total paid. Refunds, if any, are shown with corresponding amounts, so you can match them to the original purchase. Gift purchases are labeled accordingly, and pre-orders appear just like standard transactions once they're billed. If you've been using Steam for a long time, you may see multiple pages. Just scroll to the bottom to continue reviewing older entries. A few quick pointers as you read the list. Amounts are displayed in your account's currency, and totals reflect what you were actually charged after taxes and discounts. Free downloads typically won't appear because there's no payment involved. For clarity, payment methods may be partially masked for your privacy, which is normal. That's all there is to it. By opening Steam, heading to Account Details, and selecting View Purchase History, you can confidently verify charges, track spending, and keep your records tidy whenever you need.